In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Slack account status to away. This is a quick, reliable way to let your team know you're stepping away from your desk without logging out or changing any notification settings. It's perfect for short breaks, focused work sessions, or any time you want colleagues to understand you're not immediately available. Start by opening Slack and looking to the bottom left corner of the app window. You'll see your user icon there, usually your profile photo or your initials in a small circle. That icon is the gateway to your personal menu. Click it to open the menu. This menu gives you access to profile details and presence options, and it's the easiest place to control how you appear to others. From that menu, select the option that says, Set yourself as away. The wording is simple and direct, and choosing it updates your presence across the workspace. The change takes effect right away. Your profile will now display as away, signaling to your teammates that you're not currently active in Slack. And that's it. You're done. There are no extra settings to configure and nothing else to toggle. The process is intentionally minimal so you can step away quickly and return just as easily. If the label looks slightly different in your version of Slack, don't worry. Presence controls are always tied to your user icon, and the option to mark yourself away will be right in that same menu. A quick note on what this does and doesn't do. Setting yourself as away simply changes how you appear to others. It doesn't mute notifications or block messages. If you need quiet time without alerts, that's a different feature. Think of away as a courtesy signal to your team, letting them know you may not respond immediately. Here are a few helpful tips to keep in mind. Presence can change automatically when you interact with Slack, but manually setting yourself as away is useful for clear expectations during short breaks or when you're working offline. If you collaborate across time zones, using away helps reduce confusion about response times. For added clarity, you can pair your presence choice with a brief note in your communication so colleagues know when you'll be back. That's the whole process for setting your Slack account status to away. It's fast, it's clear, and it helps your team stay on the same page with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section anytime you want a quick refresher.